वाओ, इट सेज लैश बिल्डिंग, लाइक व्हाट आर यू बिल्डिंग? मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा होता है, ये जम गया है क्या? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज के वीडियो में I created this makeup look using the cheapest makeup products available on Nykaa. मैंने जितने भी products use किए हैं those are all under 200 rupees. So yes, this full face is under 200 rupees, which is amazing. I did a part 1 of this video 2 years ago, so I did not buy those products जो मैंने उस वीडियो में खरीदे थे. So I looked for other alternatives. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and yeah, we'll just get started. Okay you guys, I have all my products here in this, wow, अभी सब टूट जाता. I have all my products in this box and मैंने सब कुछ अच्छे से सैनिटाइज कर दिया पहले से. So we are gonna start with the eyes first. Okay, so when I went on Nykaa, I checked a lot of different options for eyeshadow. The first palette is this, and this is by Blue Heaven. So when I first wrote eyeshadow and मैंने उसको low to high किया था, then I got this option. So this is the Blue Heaven signature vibrant eyeshadow palette. The packaging is actually pretty cute, but अंदर से देखते हैं कैसा है. And you basically get all of these matte shades. So that is one option, but I wanted more eyeshadow options because I wanted a really nice glittery eye look. And when I just wrote eyeshadows and उसको मैंने low to high किया ना, so मुझे जो भी थोड़ा से glittery option मिला, I went for that, and those are these jelly eyeshadows by Swiss Beauty. Now I have personally never tried these jelly eyeshadows, and these I got for 169 rupees. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids and I'm gonna use these Insight K concealers. Now these concealers retail for 100 rupees, which is really cheap. Honestly, for 100 rupees concealer, this is working so well. What the hell, I'm so impressed. Okay, so the next is a setting powder. So I did not find any cheap loose powder, but I found this Biotica compact. Now this I got for 109 rupees, and the thing is that I don't really like Biotica makeup products. I really like the packaging though, like this pink packaging. Oh my god, this is literally a perfume in a compact. Now I don't mind a little bit of fragrance, like that is okay, but if it straight up smells like a perfume bottle, then that's an issue. But anyway, I'm gonna use this shade. It's called Seashell, and I'm just gonna set my concealer. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this Blue Heaven palette and I'm gonna pick up this shade. You guys, this is super easy to blend and the payoff is decent. Like, I am happy with the payoff. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade, and इससे ना हम outer corners को build करेंगे. Wow dude, I'm really impressed with these eyeshadows. थोड़ा patchy है, but honestly nothing too bad. I have used some really bad eyeshadows, so this is decent. I think eyeshadow अच्छा लग रहा है. It is gonna be a soft glam look, so yeah, I'm not gonna do something really extravagant. Now I'm gonna go in with this jelly eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty. I am dying to use this. This is in the shade name नहीं दिया हुआ, मैं इसका number ना link के साथ डाल दूंगी, so don't worry. I don't know how exactly should I apply this. I think I should apply this with a brush. Okay, so this is the product. मुझे बहुत high expectations है इससे. Make sure that आप अपने eyelids को ना थोड़ा tight रखो, otherwise blending can be a hassle. Okay, so the best way to apply this is you take a little bit and then you build it, ठीक है? And when you apply it ना, make sure कि आप साथ साथ में ना उसको blend कर रहे हो. I want to see कितना time लगता है dry होने में. It's already dried. That is good. We are gonna come back to the eyes, and अभी ना we'll do some face makeup because base करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I'm gonna moisturize my face using my Nutriderm moisturizer. एंड यू गाइस मुझे ना यहाँ पे इतना पेनफुल पिंपल है, लाइक आई कांट इवन टेल यू मुझे कितना दर्द हो रहा है अभी, बट आई वाज लाइक नथिंग कैन स्टॉप मी फ्रॉम फिल्मिंग दिस वीडियो. So yeah, we are just gonna roll with it. Alright, so the cheapest primer that I found is this one by Inside, and this is a rip-off of the Benefit Pore Primer, and this is also the Pore Minimizer Primer, and this is by Inside. And first of all, what is this quantity? इतना कम quantity है इसमें. This is your typical silicone primer, and this is for 160 rupees. लेट मी सी अगर इससे मेरे थोड़े पोर्स ब्लर हो. ओ हाँ, आई डोंट नो अगर कैमरा पे दिख रहा है कि नहीं. हाँ, डिड अ गुड जॉब एक्चुअली. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this concealer shade, and it is actually called beige. But tell me honestly, ये beige है क्या? I don't even understand how do they come up with the shade names. I'm gonna again warm it at the back of my hand so that we don't apply unnecessarily too much product. And then just gonna cover all of these things up. And yes, that big pimple. काफ़ी लाइट वेट है ये कंसीलर, एंड इट इज़ ब्लेंडिंग इन रियली वेल इन माई स्किन. Okay, so for foundation, I found this foundation. It is by L18 and it's called the Lasting Glow Foundation, and I bought it because even though it says glow, मुझे था कि मैं try करूँ. Now the shade range is obviously not good. You only get 4 shades. Concealer में you get 6 shades and foundation में you get only 4 shades. So we've been knew कि all of these companies don't cater to darker skin tones and they only make like beige and very very white foundations. My shade is 01 Pearl, and this is like your typical कांच का bottle. I don't know why it kind of smells like mango shake, but like mango shake जो थोड़ा खराब हो गया. I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand. निकल ही नहीं रहा. होता है ये जम गया है क्या? Dude, अरे यार ये निकल ही नहीं रहा. Okay, that was weird. इसका बहुत ही एक अजीब सा वो है. I can't explain it. It's kind of like moussey, but not really. I'm gonna use my sponge actually directly. I'm telling you guys, this smells kind of like mango shake, but वो नहीं होता एक दिन पुराना mango shake, which is so weird. I don't think this matches me, but it's a bit dark actually. या फिर it does match me. You guys tell me. मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा. This foundation is weird. Like I'm literally struggling with it. It is so messy. I can't get it out. And then yeah, it's just like I hate the packaging, and it is kind of like separating on my face and clinging to my dry patches even though I moisturize really well. So I don't know what's up. Foundations are just like kind of moved the concealer underneath जिससे मैंने cover किया था अपने सारे blemishes को. Can you see? Okay, I don't like this foundation and I spoke too soon. We definitely have a flop here. You might argue कि 100 rupees में आप क्या expect कर सकते हो, but the thing is that मैं अपने 100 rupees भी नहीं waste करना चाहूँगी. And it says like it's a glowy foundation, but literally it made my face super matte. It's not glowy at all. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go back to this concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. I'm gonna use it as my concealer for under my eyes. Now this concealer is literally saving this face makeup right now. I'm using more product because इसका जो coverage है, it is like light to medium, so you definitely have to build it. Okay, so my final thoughts about this concealer is I think this is for 100 rupees. So 100 rupees के लिए ये worth it है because it will give you some decent coverage at least, and you know it is easy to blend and everything. This foundation, guys, this foundation is not it. Like I don't like this foundation at all, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera. It really moved everything. It's clinging to my dry patches. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna set my face using this Biotique ka powder and this is literally perfume. Yeah, oh god, this also smells like वो जो मतलब साबुन नहीं होता जिससे लोग नहाते हैं. It literally smells like that. Oh, trust me, मुझे fragrance से इतनी problem नहीं है, but can't be a perfume in a bottle type situation. Honestly, this powder is decent. इससे मेरा face set हो गया है. It also gave me some coverage. Also इससे मेरा face काफ़ी matte हो गया है. I don't know if you guys can tell. So it is not a bad powder for the price, but the fragrance overpowers everything. So my base could be worse, and मेरा जो लास्ट मैंने वीडियो किया था नायका का चीपेस्ट वाला, उसमें मेरा बेस बहुत बुरा था. So this is actually pretty good. I am not totally mad about it. Let's go and move on to the brows. Okay, so brows, I have this Blue Heaven Artisto Eyebrow Enhancer Pencil and Styler. Wow, this is what it looks like. So I got it in the shade Honey Brown. I think इसमें दो शेड्स ही थे, एक ब्लैक था एक ब्राउन था, तो मैंने ये वाला चूज किया. इसका प्राइस 150 लिखा हुआ है, बट आई डिड नॉट गेट इट फॉर 150 रुपीज. आई गॉट दिस फॉर 113 रुपीज. दिस इज प्रीटी गुड पैकेजिंग. सो ओहो, ये ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है, एंगल्ड, एंड देन you have the spoolie. Really like इसमें spoolie है. You know कितने कंपनीज जो महंगे कंपनीज होते हैं वो spoolie नहीं देते, like उसमें पैसे बचाते हैं, बट Blue Heaven ने 150 रुपीज में आपको spoolie दिया है, which is good, like good for you. It won't glide into your brows, so you have to apply a little more pressure. but ना फिर मुझे लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा ना प्रोडक्ट लग जाए, you know, so I'm just like trying to just work it out. It's just taking me a lot of time, like longer than it usually does to do my brows. Like usually I just do it and I'm good to go. So आज मुझे थोड़ा time लग रहा है with this product. Okay, so my thoughts on this is that it is a bit time consuming, and usually मैं brow gel या फिर अगर मैं दूसरा भी brow product use करती हूँ, it is more easier to use. This is a little more time consuming, and this product it's a bit hard. मतलब it's not like super smooth या कुछ, so you have to really work it in your brows. However, if you're patient, you can definitely go for this. I actually don't hate it, and I'm gonna use this once again. And yeah, मुझे लगता है मेरे brows ठीक लग रहा है. I mean, it could have been a little better, but ठीक है, it's not the worst. Okay, now we are gonna quickly finish the eyes, and I'm gonna use this L18 का काजल. So this was the cheapest काजल. So this L18 काजल, it is in the shade Bold Black, and it is for 86 rupees, which is very 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 cheap. As always, I'm gonna smudge the kajal. So it definitely smudge हो रहा है easily. So I don't know if that's a bad thing for people who want a smudge proof kajal. I'm gonna mix these two shades again, and इससे मैं अपने lower lash line को और ज़्यादा smoky effect दूंगी. Yeah, so ये ना smudge कर रहा है. So what I'm doing is कि मैं इसको outer corner में blend कर रही हूँ. So वो थोड़ा सा smoky look ही लगेगा अपना. I don't really want कि ये पूरा ना eyeshadow look को खराब कर दे, because that can also happen, and I'm just gonna clean it with my concealer brush. Okay, so इसका tip से it is breaking. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, it is super creamy, like हद से ज़्यादा creamy. So this is not gonna be smudge proof, I just know it. Time for mascara. For mascara, I have this LA Colors mascara, and it's in the shade black, and this is for 200 rupees. This says extends lashes, lash building mascara. This is what the mascara looks like. It is a pretty good packaging. I'm really excited to see इसका wand कैसा होगा. Okay, so this is the wand. It's not my favorite wand actually. Okay, this mascara is absolutely useless. It's literally not doing anything for my lashes. It says lash building. Like what are you building? मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा. पूरा वॉल्यूम होता तो कितना अच्छा लगता. Like kind of like clumped. मैंने ये eyelashes को clump कर दिया है. Like what the hell? And यहाँ पे भी. Okay, moving on. We're gonna finish off this face. I have been like doing my makeup for over 1 hour. So the thing is that I forgot to buy a bronzer. I'm really sorry you guys, I forgot to buy a bronzer. So I'm gonna make do with this palette. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade and मैं इससे bronze करूँगी. And yes, it can turn out really bad, but you know what, I'm gonna take the chances. I mean, it's not like the best, but ठीक है. It has actually kind of given me a chiseled look, so that is good. Alright, for blush, I have this Blue Heaven blush palette, and this is their signature blush palette. So these are all the shades. I really like these two, and ये orange तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं लगाने वाली. Now this is for 175 rupees, and I got it in the shade 01. थोड़ा यहाँ पे पैची हो गया है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर यू गाइज. आई थिंक दिस इज द फाउंडेशन फॉल्ट, सो आई एम नॉट गोना ब्लेम दिस पैलेट बिकॉज दिस फाउंडेशन इज सो बैड एंड इसके ऊपर सब कुछ थोड़ा अजीब सा ही लग रहा है. मैंने पहले भी ब्लू हेवन के ब्लशेस ट्राई किए हैं एंड आई रियली लाइक देम, सो आई डोंट थिंक ये एग्जैक्टली इस पैलेट की गलती है. फॉर हाईलाइटर आई हैव दिस प्रोडक्ट, इट्स कॉल्ड द इन कलर एक्सपोज ब्लशर highlighter and I got it in the shade 07. This is for 249 rupees. I feel like it's gonna be a little chalky. We'll see. Oh, this is like powdery as hell, but wow, holy shit you guys. Oh my god, oh my god, wow, this is pigmented. I wish ये shade थोड़ा light होता. I think I should have picked a different shade. It is blinding as hell. It's just a little whitish for my skin tone. थोड़ा golden और होता ना तो और अच्छा लगता. But yeah, it is blinding you guys. Wow. Oh my god, this is like white. Okay, for lipstick I have two products. First is this lipstick and this is the L18 lipstick. It's in the shade Nude Fix. मेरे पास था ये but I kind of lost it. This is a very pretty shade and this retails for 75 rupees. This is the cheapest lipstick and it is also a very beautiful shade. I love this shade, like 75 rupees ka. Are you kidding me? This is not matte or anything, but it's a very pretty shade. Like wow, I'm impressed. The last product is a lip gloss and I really like lip glosses, so मुझे देखना था कि cheapest lip gloss कौन सा है. So this is the Inside Cosmetics Long Wear Color Rich lip gloss in the shade Temptation and this is for 81 rupees. Like lip products तो काफी सस्ते हैं and packaging is cute. Let me open it. The actual bottle looks like. ये भी न्यूड शेड ही है. It's a bit dark. Oh wow, it is pigmented. Is it a gloss? मतलब बहुत pigmented है. Wow, that's too much color. I blended both the shades and I think that the lipstick looks really nice. Like the shade is pretty and I really like the lipstick and the gloss as well. It's not sticky. Honestly, for 81 rupees you get इतना अच्छा pigmentation. It's not sticky, it's not chip. This is really good. Like wow, my mind is blown. And yeah, this is the final look you guys. What do you guys think? I think it is actually not that bad. I'm really impressed with some products and जो मैंने इसका first part किया था ना, I think 2 years ago, that was a disaster, but this time this look turned out cute. Really like the eyeshadow and base could have been better, but base products का हमेशा सबसे ज़्यादा issue होता है with shade range, formula. So that is why I always like to invest in good base products, especially conditioner. Wow, especially foundation. Like you need good foundation and yeah, all of these L18 foundation, Lakme का जो सस्ता foundation है ना 100 रुपए वाला, these will not do anything for your skin. Like this is as good as like nothing. I just think a good voluminous mascara would have just made this eye look even better. Love the lip combo, really like it. And brows look decent. It's a bit dark but yeah, it looks decent. मैं इनमें से काफ़ी products actually use करने वाली हूँ. Now the products I will recommend you guys, definitely this Blue Heaven palette. The eyeshadows are pigmented, they blend easily and उसमें काफ़ी shades भी है. So yeah, for the price it is good. These jelly eyeshadows I absolutely loved it. Definitely इसको try करना. Now concealer में I would say I like this beige concealer a little more than this porcelain concealer. I feel like this has more coverage also, so maybe formula में inconsistency है. You can definitely check these out if you're on a budget. These are better than Inside का जो liquid concealer है, definitely better than those. I like the blush palette. I think the blush palette is nice. It is not overly pigmented, so you can build it up. बहुत अगर pigmented होता है ना तो एक साथ काफ़ी सारा लग जाता है and then उसको फिर ठीक करने में बहुत मेहनत जाती है. So yeah, I really liked it and इसमें भी 2-3 shades आते हैं. This highlighter, it is decent actually. It is blinding. I just wish that मैंने दूसरा shade लिया होता. It is powdery but it did not really enhance any texture or anything. Now coming to this primer, I was really surprised when I used this. It did blur out the pores and everything and texture को भी थोड़ा reduce कर दिया. So yeah, it is a good silicone based primer. This mascara, yeah, you already know what I'm gonna say about this. Now eyebrow pencil का भी मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया था कि you know it's a bit time consuming, so it's up to you. The shade is also not the best, so yeah, it's not my favorite. I think कि Miss Claire का जो 80 rupees का आता है ना, I prefer that. This foundation is messy. It has a weird formula. It separated on my face. It moved my concealer. It did not want to blend in. So I don't like this. Won't recommend this. Now this, it is a good compact. I just wish इसमें इतना fragrance नहीं होता. Like the fragrance really ruined the product for me, so I won't be using this because it's just a little too much. Coming to the kajal. Okay, so the kajal, if you want something like smudge proof, this is not for you. This will definitely smudge, like it is too creamy. Now coming to the lip products, loved both of them. मैं already बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ L18 का ये जो shade है Nude Fix. I really like it. It is a very nice, very pretty color, and again this lip gloss really stole the show for me. Like very comfortable, and for 81 rupees, like I think they did an amazing job. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Those are all the makeup products that I got from Nykaa, and these are the cheapest products that I got this time. I am actually pretty happy with the look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. मैं जो भी products recommend करूँगी उनके links description box में डाल दूँगी in case you want to check these out. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products and आपका क्या experience था. I actually had so much fun filming this, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this too. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and leave any video requests you have in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.